Hello all, uh, welcome to today's discussion. So it's been few days since we did not put our videos due to that we have been working on some other portfolio related work. So we'll start with Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, it kind of has a bottom near 33,000 for now, and we have seen it tested 34,700, but it failed to close about 34,700. So above 34,700, Bank Nifty will become bullish, and in the short term, we can see 34,200 and 35,900. So that can be the targets for Bank Nifty. So we can really expect 35,900, and if it sustains about 35,900, we can even see 36,840 or even 36,600 to 37,500, I would say. Okay, and we can see that we will likely be getting a signal in MACD and the daily itself. So that is also another indication for Bank Nifty to become bullish. So what can happen for tomorrow is we can get a bit of a dip tomorrow. So I understand that the US market is already it's up today. However, we can still have some downside tomorrow, okay, depending on this closure today. So what is the next stop for Bank Nifty? 34,000. So 34,000 will be the stop for Bank Nifty, or on a worst case 33,800. So from here we can see we are likely to see a buy, and market can go up to 35,200. So and we will remain bullish in the market as long as 33,000 is not cut again, okay, and closing above 34,000, this high 34,800, Bank Nifty will definitely become very bullish, and we can see 36,500 or 36,600 to 37,500 in the month of June itself. Okay, so we saw, okay, what could be the dip targets, and what could be the target on the upside for Bank Nifty. Okay, so for now, yes, there could be some dip for tomorrow, but I don't see a major one. So depending upon how US markets closing today, so just be careful. You should be looking for a buy near 34,000 or 33,800, or above 34,865 today's high. And Nifty, similar to Bank Nifty, we have a double bottom. So Bank Nifty also has a double bottom near 33,000, and Nifty also has a double bottom near 15,800. So Nifty, as you can see, again 16,400 is the first major resistance. So above which we will see 16,640 and then 16,920 for Nifty. So where we can get till tomorrow for a bounce back, so 16,166, 16,094 or 16,012 will be a good point if we have a gap down, or above 16,400 also we can enter into a buy for Nifty. So buy near 16,160 or 16,091 or 16,12. You can also sell for these targets, but sell targets on the short side are target on the sell side are very limited now. So we have to look for a good up, and above 16,400 Nifty is going to become bullish, and 16,935 or 1,700, 17,200 is also possible. And TCS, it had a good bounce back from 3,230 level, and on the monthly side we can see, on the weekly side we can still see it has closed below 33,900, 3390 and 3350, which is a multi year breakout. So below this, TCS continues to be very weak, and TCS is likely to come to 3,130 or 2,900 and or 2,800. So that is also possible for TCS. So for tomorrow, as you can see, TCS had a good, maybe a good momentum here. So we can see up to 3,350 or 3,370 for tomorrow in TCS. So So depending upon how we come up. Okay, so 5 minutes is also positive and 15 minutes is okay. So we may see some pull ahead, but TCS will be sell on rise for now. Okay, you can buy the dips in equity, but it's definitely not going to look good on the buy side for long term for now, because we can see that hourly 100 and 200 moving averages are going to become negative, even though there is a good RSI divergence. That's the reason we are seeing this pullback in TCS. So there's RSI divergence, MACD divergence. It has a strong support here. If we manage to close on the weekly basis above 3,350, then TCS is going to be very bullish. So HUL, it has reached our target of 2,350, which I have been telling. You can refer to my old videos. So I am expecting a sell-off in HUL here from here again. So the maximum it can go till 2,420. From there we will see a sell-off in HUL. So anywhere now HUL could come into a sell-off. So sell-off means it's not going to be a major sell-off, or I don't have to be afraid of. So it's just going to fix it run for the long term. So HUL is going to go up more, hopefully. So we'll have to see. But for now, we have to look for a selling between 2,380 and 2,420. HDFC Bank, similar to Bank Nifty, it had all these divergence in MACD and RSI and everything, and they try to pull ahead of 1330. Above 1330, it will be very bullish for HDFC Bank, and below that it still remains weak. And the double top is also intact in HDFC Bank. So if you can see, this is the double top it made, and this is the neckline. So 1,400 and then 1,720. So 320 points. So below 1,400, we still have a scope for 320 points in HDFC Bank, unless this double top pattern is broken. So how it will be broken? If HDFC Bank closes above 1,420. Okay. And Bajaj Finance, again, it is clearly struggling near 5,900, and it is, if it closes above 5,950, then Bajaj Finance will become bullish. Okay, so it has stayed above the bottom of this channel, and it should not close below this channel, and as long as it does that, we are safe for Bajaj Finance. Okay. So for tomorrow we can again see some dip, maybe till 5,700 or so, and then we should see a bounce back in Bajaj Finance, and from there we will have to again see how much we can go. Okay, and above 5,900, Bajaj Finance can really go till let me just calculate that for you guys. I don't know, somehow it gets removed from my browser. So 6,000 will be the first target for Bajaj Finance, and above 6,000 we should be seeing a good move in Bajaj Finance, maybe till 6,250 and then 6,470, etc. So if we manage to close above 5,960 or above 6,000, then we will be having a good rally for every 250 points in Bajaj Finance. So that's the way market is going to take it up going forward. Okay, and Tata Motors, this is a monthly chart. So here we are, it's kind of still traveling within this channel, and we can see there's a good pullback in this monthly, which is again we have a few more days for it to close. So from 375, it has got up to 430. So I was expecting a target of 450 or something like that. So I've been looking at various numbers, so that's why I am today babbling between thousands and hundreds. So apologies for that. So Tata Motors, it has again it has hit the upper channel, so we may have some sell-off here, and how only if we have a sustainable closure above this 430, 432. Okay, I would say 425 to 432. Only if this resistance zone is broken, then we will see 450 as the next target for Tata Motors. So till then we may have some correction, but Tata Motors is safe and sound as long as it is holding above 400. Okay. So that's all I had. Thank you. Bye.